Hi everyone, in this video we are going to break down a LaTeX TikZ code that creates a beautiful mathematical diagram featuring the rectangle, vertical lines, horizontal lines and labeled segments. Let's start it. This sets the document type to vertical, which is standard for short documents, imports the powerful TikZ packages to draw diagrams. Extend TikZ for plotting graphs with axes. Begin the drawing environment starts an axis environment, puts the x and y axis through the origin, x minimum, x maximum, y maximum, set the axis viewing the window. No tick marks, manual ones will be added later. Samples domain restrict y to domain used for function plotting, not crucial here but the safe default. In large limits is equal to add small margins around the plot. Draw bottom and top blue horizontal lines. These represent bottom and top horizontal bonds. Draw left and right red vertical lines. These form the left and right vertical bonds of a rectangle. Draw middle vertical blue line, draw middle horizontal red line and manual tick marks on axis. Add labels to axis points A1 on x-axis left bound, B1 x-axis right bound, A2 y-axis lower bound, B2 y-axis upper bound. Arrows showing x bounds as functions of y. Red arrows indicate that x is bounded from left by h1 of y is equal to a1 and from right by h2 of y is equal to v1, useful in iterated integrals where x limits are functions of y. Arrows showing y bounds as function of x. Blue arrows indicate that y is bounded from blue of g of 1 of x equal to a2 and from above by g2 of x equal to b2. Also relevant in iterated integration where y limits are functions of x. Finally close all environments axis in tickets picture and document. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more LaTeX tutorial. Thank you.